I would just like to take this opportunity on my own behalf of my family, behalf of my deputy and his family, to take this opportunity first and foremost to thank God for the favor that He has shown us. Secondly, to thank the people of this great and wonderful Republic of Kenya for the confidence that they have shown in me, my administration, and to them, ours is just a pledge that we shall continue with the work that we have already started and rededicate ourselves even more towards serving this great nation and our people. Thank you very much, Kenya. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank the Electoral Commission for a job well done. I think they have done the best that they can do. To the commissioners, to the staff, thank you very, very, very much. It's been a long wait, the last couple of days, but we were determined that we would be patient and wait for the final result, as indeed has now been declared. Asante sana, IEBC, for a wonderful job. Thank you very much. We appreciate it. I would also like to thank all our supporters and all the people who have worked very, 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 very hard for the last many months. All Jubilee supporters, all our staff, all the politicians, men and women who fought gallantly for various positions across the country. Twawashukuru sana. Asanteni sana kwenu nyinyi nyote. Asanteni sana. Congratulations to those who have won and to those who have lost. We say we live to fight another day. I also thank all the observers who have been with us over the last few days. We thank you for your contribution in helping ensure that Kenyans have had a free, transparent, and credible election. Lastly, and most importantly, to our brothers who were worthy competitors, we are not enemies. We are all citizens of one republic. As with any competition, there shall always be winners and there shall be losers, but we all belong to one great nation called Kenya. And I extend a hand of friendship, I extend a hand of cooperation, I extend a hand of partnership, knowing fully well that this country needs all of us pulling together in order for us to succeed. And Kenyans want us to succeed. So mine, like I said to my worthy competitor, especially the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, I reach out to you, I reach out to all your supporters, I reach out to all who are elected on now the opposition benches. We shall work together. We shall partner together. We shall grow together. We shall develop this country together. And we are there, ready to engage, to dialogue, to discourse together, so that we can build this nation of ours together. Twashukuru Mungu, and to my fellow Kenyans, as we have always stated, elections come and go. Kenya is here to stay. And as I have said severally, in all our campaign rallies, let us always remember that we are brothers and sisters. Your neighbor is still your neighbor. Let us be peaceful. Let us reach out to one another. Let us share together. There is no need for violence. We politicians, again, also come and go. But your neighbor is your neighbor, regardless of their ethnicity, their religion, their color. Mine and my call to all Kenyans, wherever you may be, watching us on TV this evening, listening to us on the radio, please reach out to your neighbor, shake their hand, say this election is over. Regardless of whom you voted for, you are still my neighbor. You are still my brother. You are still my sister. And let us move forward together. Mimi nashukuru Wakenya wote. Asanteni sana. Mengi zaidi tutasema kesho. Wacha sasa watu wapumzike. Asanteni sana. Thank you very much.